Let's see what you've hatched. Oh. Not so rude. Don't be so rude. Ducks. Those are not your babies. I think those are hers. She's trying to tell you that.
Good morning, little baby. Come here. Hi, sweetheart. You still haven't made a friend? Aw. Hi, cutie patootie. Come on. There you go, baby. You're so sweet. Wherever I'm at, you're always right behind me. What are you doing? Oh. Onto my head. Hi. Everyone's so sweet this morning. Everyone's so sweet. Hi. Hi, little legs. Look at their little legs. Oh, they're so tiny. Put them back. Oh. I'll be safe.
Baby. Riley.
Excuse me. Can I help you? What are you doing? Oh, you... Okay. What are you doing? You have no boundaries. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is my car. This is mine. I know. You're so nosy. You're so nosy. Can you get out of my truck?